They don't pick up the hobby, never speak up at work, or talk to the stranger across the street, because a rejection or failure feels humiliating. It's easier to protect the image you have of yourself than to risk watching it break. I didn't have time, something came up, or maybe later. Those excuses feel safer than saying, I tried and I wasn't good enough. So most people choose the first. They protect their identity in the present, even when it costs them their future. And the tragedy is that ego doesn't stop you from failing. It stops you from ever finding out who you could have been.